Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So I'm sorry for yesterday. I don't know what happened. There's been a glitch, I guess, and I tried to re-upload the agiX file, and well, YouTube didn't want to. He was keeping it, processing it, but he never released on the air. So I'm very sorry about that. So now what we can say today is like. While the RSI is still in decline, MACD is still in the decline and getting longer and deeper retracement in a negative momentum. Now let's try to dig in a little bit. Now I don't do it often, but I do have a chart for 12 hours, because if I stay on the 1 day chart, I cannot see any MA200 because this crypto coin is too young. So at least it starts to give me an idea on the 12 hours. The MA200, it's getting into at least a DO or a minimum requirement for a wave 2. Now, this I don't remember why I put it there. Okay, so if I do this Fibonacci retracement from the beginning of the wave to the end of the wave 1 in yellow, this is going to be our main level of the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, we almost reached the 0.618 at 28 cents 215. Anyway, 28 cents. And so with a small recap, we did the A B, and now we're doing this C. Just for fun, once again, this was it's been a while I didn't do that, so let me take out this for a moment. And I think I already did it, and it's not really conclusive, but let me take the length of the wave A and add it to the wave B. The 1-to-1 ratio is going to be around 22.7 cents. Okay, so this is one level that we can maybe keep in mind. 22.9, let's say. Let's round up. Actually, you know what? 23 cents. Alright, so 23 cents. This should be one level we should keep an eye on. So let me put it there, and maybe in red. And I'm going to start to delete some lines so it's easier to see. Alright, so we have the 28.2 that we almost reached yesterday, the 1-to-1 ratio at 23 cents, and then the borderline, it's 17.7 cents. That's the limit for a wave 2 that it can retrace. If it moves more than that, it's unlikely to be a wave 2. I'm going to give the benefits of the doubts up to 16 cents, because this would be the kind of a good support, a strong support. It can weak out, and then, but if he fell that this support at that level at 16 cents, forget about it. This coin is going to go back where it was at 3-4 cents. So just be aware of that. Now, I believe Bitcoin is not done its correction, and technically here we should be done or almost done. So that's I would say the annoying part. Now, okay, so I do have some micro counting here. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're doing this fifth wave. Let me see more in detail. I'm trying to see if maybe there is another way to count that it could also make sense if I say that so this is 1 and a 2, and this could be also another 1, and this could be another 2. I'm going to remove these lines because they're not relevant anymore. And so let's see if that would work. So it would work. Actually, it's kind of band on with the 0.5 retracement, so that would be perfect. So if that is the case, so I'm going to take out, so this 1 2, it's still good. I'm just putting these aside for the moment, and now I'm going to make trying to make an extension with this new 1 2. I do that because now the price it reach higher, right? So within this one completed, then we have a B and a C, so that's still possible. And now I'm going to extend that like this. And what did I do now? So as you can see, we did react to the 1.618, and let me see if I can just add the 2 level. God, I need to change my mouse. Okay, so we perfectly reacted to the 2, and now we are bouncing back to once again to the 1.618. So this would tell me that more likely this is our wave 3. So I am expecting, so now a wave 4 that should be where? Well, let's try to do that. Okay, so if that's the 4, we should have the wave 5 somewhere, maybe here. So at least I remember to do it right away. My god, my mouse, it's alright, so now I'm going to try to do the Fibonacci retracement for this 3rd wave. If we finished this correction, and alright, so we should go somewhere near here. Let me pull that aside here so it's easier for the chart. So I'm expecting a retracement. Actually, you know, we almost reach or touch the minimum requirement. Ideally, we would go to the 0.382 at 36.5 cents, and after that, we can complete this 5th wave. That would complete our 3rd wave, and then we would have still need to do a 4th wave and a 5th wave. So this is the scary part, guys, because if that is the case, we are going to bounce away from the minimum requirement, maximum zone of a wave 2 that can bounce back. So hopefully this count is not the good one. I'm sorry. Yeah, but no, honestly, maybe we're going to have just a shallow wave 5, and then we're going to have this wave 4, maybe a higher retracement for the wave 4, which allows us to put just a barely lower low in a 5, and then we'll be just fine. Anyway, this is a positive thinking, and then so this is what we hope, but we need to really stick with the price action. So let's see. At least I can say that agiX has a much better chart than the other AI coin, I believe, because I believe I think Ali still has some room, so that's okay. Fetch, I think this morning I saw one and it was kind of bad, is it? Or maybe it was just too early for me. I think it was Ocean. Oh no, okay, we're still holding, not that bad. Okay, so I don't know where did I see that? Okay, this was SDAO, this is start to be bearish. So anyway, I will try to do a SDAO chart maybe after. Okay, so this is pretty much all for agiX for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And for sure, I did tell you I had an order at 32, which he passed. I did acquire some at 35. Well, most of my orders, if it goes to these levels, between 23 and 20, 23 and I would say maybe 17 or 18, I'm going to put quite an order there. If I see that Bitcoin is almost done with the correction, because this is like if it's going to drop below, I'm going to sell out and take a loss. And then, but if it reverse, then I'm going to be very happy. So that's my strategy. I'm not telling you to do that, but let's remember me. I got some agiX when they were like 15-20 cents, so I have more room to play around. Okay, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good weekend.